The OEMTOOLS Floor Jack line is built for efficiency and performance. Each of our jacks offer a range of product features guaranteed to increase productivity in your shop or garage. The professional quality 3 1/4 ton and 2 ton low profile jacks feature rear swivel casters for superior maneuverability. The low minimum height provides easier clearance and positioning under low clearance vehicles. Both low profile jacks feature a padded lower handle to prevent dents and scratches while pumping the jack. Equipped with a fast action dual pump, the OEMTOOLS 3 1/2 ton hydraulic floor jack features a foot pedal to quickly raise the jack to working height, saving you time and effort. Don't let its size fool you. The OEMTOOLS 2 1/2 ton hydraulic floor jack packs some power. This compact floor jack is capable of lifting up to 2 1/2 tons with minimal effort. Need a lift? OEMTOOLS has you covered.